Welcome to the OIC presentation, logging into OIC Release 12.1.1 of the Oracle Vision Instance. This short presentation targets only those Oracle professionals who are OIC member contractors and have purchased the OIC Basic Annual Membership Package. This package includes free access to release 12.1.1 of the Oracle Vision Demo Instance, which includes all the Oracle applications included in the base install of the Oracle eBusiness Suite for release 12.1.1. For example, the base install does not include any of the Oracle Governance, Risk, and Compliance applications. Therefore, the GRC applications are not available. Moreover, the Oracle GRC applications and many other Oracle applications require their own IT infrastructure and can't be installed on the same server that hosts the R12.1.1 Oracle Vision instance. All OIC member contractors also have access to the OIC's My Oracle Support and Oracle Partner Network accounts. This presentation focuses solely on illustrating how you access our dedicated instance for release R.12.1.1. You can't modify your host file until you change your account control settings. So that's one of the things that we're going to do. We'll talk about this in slide 4. Before you can attempt to log into our dedicated release 12.1.1 Oracle Vision Demo Instance, you must enter the OIC's IP address and name in the host file located on your laptop or desktop. In addition, you must download the latest version of Java. So we're going to download the latest version of Java and install it on the application. Oracle uses Java to display forms other than the newer HTML forms. You must use IE8, IE7, or Firefox to log into the OIC R12.1 Oracle Vision Demo Instance. If you do have problems using Internet Explorer, I suggest you try using Firefox. After you complete these steps, you are ready to enter and log into the OIC R12.1.1 Oracle Vision Instance. You can use the Vision Instance. You can also use the documentation located on My Oracle Support and the free online training courses available on our Oracle Partner Network portal, together with the OIC's dedicated release R.12.1 Vision Demo Instance, to gain hands-on experience using the applications. Finally, you can take, and I encourage you to take some additional time to learn more about the IC and our top team of elite Oracle GRC contractors. You simply navigate to the user accounts. I've given you the navigation path above on this screen. Next, you simply click on the hyperlink to change user account control settings. This disables notifications for changes made to user account settings. This will enable you to save the host file when you add the OIC IP address and name to the host file. Choose when to be notified about changes to your computer to never notify. This enables you to save the host file after you add the IP address and name for the OIC site hosted by the planet. You absolutely must be able to save the changes that you make to this host file, otherwise you will not be able to successfully access the OIC dedicated release R12.1.1 Oracle Vision Instance. I recognize that this represents older technology, but quite honestly, I haven't been able to determine what we need to do in our hosted environment to eliminate the requirement to add this OIC IP address and name to the host file for every server that requires access to the OIC Release 12.1.1 Oracle Vision instance. Next, you want to navigate to the host file. Use the navigation path listed above, and then you want to open your host file using Notepad. And when you open Notepad, you'll see at the very end there's an entry you have to make, and it's 174.121.90.18. And then hit the tab key and then enter OIC LLC-01.oicllc.net. Again, it's on the screen. You simply just add this IP address and name to your host file and then save the file. After you do that, you are ready to install the Java. Simply go to www.java.com. When it comes up, you'll see this the free download available. Simply download and install the latest version of Java on your laptop. After you've updated your host file and installed the latest version of Java, you are now ready to try to log into our dedicated Oracle Release 12.1.1 Vision demo instance. You should be using Internet Explorer 7, Internet Explorer 8, or Firefox 3.5 or higher. So simply enter your username and password like we've done here. Click on the login button, and the system should ask you the first time that you log in to change your current password. You simply write in your current password and then enter your new password and confirm your new password, then click on submit. Now you are logged into the e-business suite. We want to make sure the forms work properly. That's the reason why you installed the Java application. So click on System Administrator Responsibility and then scroll down to Define User. And then when you click on Define User, hyperlink for Define User, you'll get this Java warning. Simply click Run. And that's it. The system should come up for you. So what we've done here is we showed you what you need to do to update your user account so that you can modify the host file. You modified the host file. You downloaded the latest version of Java, and you then attempted to log in using IE 7, 8, or Firefox. And you've logged into the system, and now you're ready to use the resources. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. You can also call me. I encourage you, if you are interested in learning more about Oracle GRC training services, I encourage you to contact us and ask us about that. And I appreciate the time that you took. Thank you.